Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Installing a Docker App Store on a Synology NAS can be a great way to manage and deploy applications easily. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to set up a Docker App Store using a popular solution called Portainer, which provides a web-based interface for managing Docker containers. Prerequisites. 1. Synology NAS. Ensure your Synology NAS supports Docker. You can check the Synology website for compatibility. 2. Docker installed. You need to have Docker installed on your Synology NAS. You can install it from the Synology Package Center. 3. Basic knowledge of Docker. Familiarity with Docker concepts like images, containers, and networks will be helpful. Step 1. Install Docker on Synology NAS. 1. Open the Package Center on your Synology NAS. 2. Search for Docker and click the Install button. 3. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 2. Pull the Portainer image. 1. Open Docker from the main menu. 2. Go to the Registry tab. 3. In the search bar, type portainer/portainer CE and press Enter. 4. Right-click on the image and select Download. Step 3. Create a Portainer container. 1. Go to the Image tab and find the portainer/portainer CE image you just downloaded. 2. Click on the image, then click on Launch. 3. In the Create Container window, configure the following settings. Container name, Portainer. Advanced settings. Go to the Volume tab. Click Add Folder, select a folder, example/docker/portainer_data, to store Portainer's data, and mount it to /data. Go to the Network tab. Select Bridge or create a custom network if needed. Go to the Port Settings tab. Click Add and enter. Local port, 9000. Container port, 9000. 4. Click Apply to create the container. Step 4. Start the Portainer container. 1. Find the Portainer container in the Container tab. 2. Select it, then click the Action button and choose Start. Step 5. Access Portainer web interface. 1. Open a web browser and go to http://your_nas_ip9000. 2. You should see the Portainer setup screen. Create an admin user and set a password. 3. After creating the user, you can now manage your Docker containers through the Portainer interface. Step 6. Using Portainer. 1. Once logged in, you can manage your Docker containers, images, networks, and volumes through the intuitive web interface. 2. You can deploy new containers, view logs, and manage existing containers easily. Example, deploying a sample application. To demonstrate how to deploy an application using Portainer, follow these steps. 1. In the Portainer dashboard, click on Containers. 2. Click on Add Container. 3. Fill in the following details. Name, ngenx. Image, ngenx. 4. Click on Deploy the container. Conclusion. You have successfully set up a Docker App Store using Portainer on your Synology NAS. With Portainer, you can easily manage Docker containers and deploy applications without needing to use the command line extensively. You can explore further by deploying other applications, managing networks, and creating custom Docker containers. Additional resources. Portainer documentation, https://documentation.portainer.io. Synology Docker documentation, https://www.synology.com/n-global/knowledge-base/dsm/help/dsm/admin-center/systems/applications_docker. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further assistance.